Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will open two Hot Wheels, one Majorette, and as said in previous videos, I already opened my 5 pack of vintage cars gift pack from Majorette because it's very difficult to remove the rubber band while shooting, so I already removed it. Then I will show you the M2s. I bought it when I was in USA. I bought 5 M2s, so today I will show from 2 M2s from that 5 cars. So first I will then there is one more car from Majorette, that is Formula E by Mahindra Racing. I already opened it, so I will show it on camera. So first we will see the 5 pack from Majorette. As I said, I already removed the rubber band from the cars. Like, the rubber band is very difficult to remove because it's very hard roundly stick to the axles of the cars. This is the rubber band, so I already removed it. I will show you the pack. This is the box of vintage cars gift pack by Majorette. Bags. Not much detailed. There's some background. So let's see the cars. These are the cars. The first one is Porsche 970 KH. Then this is 2000 GT Toyota. Yeah. Then the next is Dodge Charger RT. Nice. Then this is Renault 5 Turbo, and this is DS19 vintage. So let's see the Porsche first. Beautiful color, openable part, rear end, not too much detailed engine, but okay. Paint is very good, shiny. This is the front side. Lensed headlights, Porsche logo painted, number 23, livery 133 on side, both sides. Shell, again 23 number. Suspension, let's check the suspensions. Okay, not, the rear one is not bouncing at all. See, it's gone, but it's a good roller. Okay, the next car is 2000 GT Toyota. See, I forgot the remove the rubber band. See how it's very difficult to remove, very risky. It can damage the axle. So openable hood, very hard to open, not much detailed. Interior is okay, detailed. This is the front side. Nice color. of little bit off white. Lensed headlights, and not this and this one is different lights. That's the bottom. That's 156 scale, not 164. Let's check the suspension. Yes, very good, and a beautiful smooth roller, beautiful, nice. The next car is Dodge Charger RT. It's 166 scale. That's near, very near. Openable hood, bad boy, American muscle, beautiful black color, cage inside the cabin, okay, detailed, RT here, painted tail lights. It's a plastic part. This one is a plastic part. Nice. Rear wheels are bigger than the front one. The rear suspensions are not working properly, but front ones are good. Good roller. Okay. The next one is Renault 5 Turbo. Very small car, and that's a 156 scaled. Yeah, 156. Yes. Renault Turbo, beautiful yellow color, turbo livery, openable trunk. That's the inside, not detailed. Nice car. Lens, headlights, painted tail lights, and painted details, other details also. Nice. Front side is not working, see. Rear one is good. Not that smooth, but okay for the rolling test. Sorry for that. The next car is DS 19. It's a 159 scale. Wow. Little bit weird design, but it is what it is. Openable doors, very hard to open because of the paint. My god, very hard. Both angles are perfect between the doors, no issue. White top, green body, lensed headlights, mirrors, painted tail lights. This is the different wheels, like a plate. See, very lightweight, it's very light. Okay, detailed inside. Front one is gone, no bounce. Rear one is okay. Rolls okay. Okay for the rolling and suspension. So that's it for the 5 packs by Majorette. Now we'll check the one more Majorette car, that is Nissan GTR Nismo GT3. This is the pack with card. It's the car, racing cars, beautiful. It's the back side. You can pause it if you want to read it. So let's open it. This is the car. This is the card. Let's check the car first. Very lightweight, no weight on it, literally. Looks like feels like a plastic, but it's a low grade metal. Beautiful livery, beautiful paint, red, black and white combination. Lensed headlights, detailed front, nice. Painted tail side, headlights and other things. Plastic part, plastic part, plastic part, painted. Nice. Let's open the doors. Nice, smooth. This one is hard, very hard. The perfect angle, no issue. Let's check the inside. Okay, detailed, all plastic. Single seater, so because it's a racing car. Sorry for the noises. Nice, but very light. Let's check the card. This is the picture. Now the details. V6 BI turbo, engine size 3799 cc, 550 horsepower, 315 km/h, speed 0 to 100 in 2.8 seconds. Curb weight is 1285 kilograms, and torque is 637 Newton meter. It's a racing car. Nice. So the next two cars are from Hot Wheels. It is 22 422 1986 Toyota van. This is the front side of the card. It's the back. Let's open it. Nice, beautiful shiny color, very light in weight. Rear end Hot Wheels logo here. Toyota painted tail lights. And lensed headlights. That's a good thing. That's the interior, sunroof and windshield. Beautiful van. Hot Wheels. Nice. The next car is by Hot Wheels, 69 Camaro convertible, Muscle Mania. This is the card. Nice. Let's open it. It's quite heavy. Nice, good weight on it. Wow, beautiful white interior. Nice, beautiful color, black and white, good combination. SS Hot Wheels. This is the front side or front end, not much detailed. Here's the plastic part. Beautiful white line. Nice. The front side, no tail lights detailed, only black paint, no logo, nothing. Nice. The sizes are different. The front and rear tires are different in sizes. Nice. As I said, I already opened the M2s and Mahindra Formula E. So let's check the Mahindra. Nice. It's quite heavy. Beautiful color combination. Nice. Very good detailed model by Majorette. Mahindra livery. Shell. Michelin. This is the front side. Mahindra logo here. All the sponsors and company. Good detail on it. It's the side. This is the rear end. This one is plastic and other is low grade metal. This is the bottom. And it's the perfect 164 scale. That's a good thing. I like it. ABB FIA Formula E Championship Season 5 Generation 2 car. Nice. Beautiful. And comes with a box to keep the car properly. This is the box itself. Welcome to the closest, most intense racing series on the planet. The ABB FIA Formula E Championship is the world's first fully electric international single-seater street racing series. Most progressive cities consisting of 12 teams and 24 drivers, Formula E delivers unpredictable world-class racing to 12 cities over 5 continents. Nice. Futurix E. Nice. As I said earlier, the next two cars gonna be M2's, famous brand in USA. So I already opened it. I will open the screws from the bottom. Beautiful cars by M2's. This is 1958 Chevrolet Impala. Creamy yellow. Openable hood. Good Indian details. Lensed headlights. Beautiful detail car and very heavy. Good weight on it. Nice. It is M2. Good quality premium diecast. Openable doors. Nice. Perfect angle between the doors. Look at this detail. Nice. Detailed interior. Wow. Look at the seats. Paint on the seats. This is the dashboard. Beautiful. Green color interior. Very beautiful car. No doubt in that. That's the bottom side. Metal on metal. Premium. Little bit details. One bad thing, I feel that the wheels are very cheap. Look at the size. But it's a good model. That's what we want. Metal. All metal. And it's okay for the premium. Nice. Little bit shaky, but it's a classic car, not a racing car. And comes with this box and the base, two bolts here. So I keep like this and like this. So next car is also by M2, Ground Pounders Chevrolet SS Cheval. (1970) muscle car. Nice. Beautiful sparkly blue color. Very heavy car. Beautiful model. Chevy livery, Chevy performance. That's a good diecast, friends. Quality diecast. That's a rear end. Wow, what a beast. Wow. That's the front side or front end. Lensed headlights, painted indicators. You cannot see inside because the dark black color on the glass. Look at the tires. Wow, perfect tires for a drag race. I can feel the burning tires in the air, the smell of it. Beautiful car, no doubt in that. That's the bottom side. Metal on metal. Normal plus screw, so you can open it if any issue is there, or you can, if you want to paint or custom it, do some custom liveries or paint on it. And it's a good roller, little bit shaky, but okay. Look at the tire. Look at that. Sorry for that. not a good thing. Look at the rolling. But it's not made for the rolling or racing. It's a diecast model. So guys, that's it for today's video. See you in the next video. Keep watching. Thanks for your support. Bye, and don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. See you in the next video. Bye.